Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here at the field I like to fly at. It's like marshlands out here, y'all. Had a bit of rain, so we got some build-up of puddles all in the grass and everything. So really not a good time to be flying this thing. I got the Aero Cobra 2 out here. Another good find on AliExpress. About to put this thing up in the air. Unfortunately, this is not the maiden flight. I have flown this at the parking lot, crashed it a few times. I can't say it is durable, but I'm out here in this grass, so unable to take off from the ground. I wanted to test it and see how it takes off from the ground in the parking lot. I did that, and I actually recorded it, but the whole thing didn't record. For some reason it stopped recording. Well, I know why. I ran out of space. Same reason I haven't gotten out that J3 Cub military edition. I haven't gotten that out because the file is too big, and I'm thinking I'm gonna end up having to put that to a computer or something, or a flash drive, in order for me to chop it up and get the video out. So let's get this thing up in the air. Not really that windy, but it is wet out here, so I'm gonna have to land in this water somewhere. I'm gonna try to find a good place to land it. Out here with the wallabies, getting the wallabies all messed up, y'all. But let's get this plane up in the air. And just that quick, the wind has picked up a lot. Trying to find a little spot over here. Where it's not so bad to land. Okay, I think this is the best we're going to be able to get. Right about here. Still the marshlands. Sheesh, the wind has picked up. Go with it. Sheesh, it's very windy now, y'all. See if we can get a flip or anything. Let's see. Yeah, it did a roll. Let's see if we can do another roll. Oh, does a nice roll, y'all. And the wind got this thing at a standstill, y'all. Let's see if we can bring it down a little lower. Let's see if we can get a roll. Okay, so this thing is fighting some wind out here. Oh! Sheesh. And this wind is horrible to fly in. Basically took away all my speed and made me come crashing down to the earth. I think I might have broken the prop, y'all. That was a nasty crash in this wet, nasty area over here. Sheesh, what happened to the prop? Look at this thing. I don't think it's ready to go back up in the air anytime soon. This thing has to be cleaned out now. I'm looking for the prop though. Sheesh, I nose down, so the prop should be right here. unless the prop flew off before I nosed down, which I don't think was the case. So it should be planted here somewhere. I don't want to waste too much space on the camera, so I'm gonna stop it and see if I can find it, y'all. I'm not too sure if that prop came off mid-flight or not, because I never found the prop. But good news, I did find my old prop. I was out here and I lost the prop over here. So let's see if I can clean this out. This thing tends to eject props in mid-air. I think I might have to see how I can tighten the props up. This prop tool thing, oh, it looks like this one is broken. So maybe it was broken already, I'm not sure. I definitely need to swap it out. So I'm not going to try to fly this thing again with this prop, even though I found it. I found my old prop for it. I think I'm gonna take it home, clean it out, and then we can probably get this thing back up in the air again, hopefully. The Aero Cobra 2 P39, y'all. Good find from AliExpress. Thanks for watching.